The word we'll be learning in this section is urayamu, which you will often hear in situations when discussing others' achievements, possessions, or qualities that provoke feelings of envy or admiration. The word urayamu means to feel envy or to be jealous of someone. It is used when you notice something admirable or desirable about others' possessions, status, achievements, or qualities, and you wish you had them too. It's a common feeling when you see someone excelling in areas you wish you could excel in. The first kanji means envy or jealousy and carries the sense of wanting what someone else has. It shows up in urayamashi, the adjective for feeling envious, where the kanji gives the emotional sense of longing. You also see it in senbo, a noun that emphasizes admiration mixed with covetousness. In both words, this character adds the core idea of yearning for another's possession or situation. He is envious of his friend. 彼は友達を羨んでいます。彼は友達を羨んでいます。He envies his friend's success. 彼は友達の成功を羨む。彼は友達の成功を羨む。He envies his friend. 彼は友達を羨む。彼は友達を羨む。I sometimes envy others. 私は時々他人を羨みます。私は時々他人を羨みます。The most common synonym of the word 羨む is 嫉妬する, which also means to be jealous or envious. While 羨む focuses more on the feeling of desiring what others have, 嫉妬する can sometimes carry a more negative connotation, implying spitefulness or resentment. The most common antonym of the word 羨む is 敬う, which means to respect. While 羨む implies a sense of longing or envy, 敬う reflects admiration or acknowledgement of someone's worth or abilities, devoid of jealousy.